Hey guys, my name is Anaga and I'm from Bisaga for Creative Mind. Today I'm going to show you how to make a greeting card. For this greeting card, you need 3 sheets of different colored paper, a bowl with a circle shape, or you can use anything else with a circle shape. And you need a glue stick, a ruler, an eraser, a pencil, and some felt tip pens. So let's get started. Alright, for our first step, we need the bowl and one color of the paper. Now I'm gonna put the bowl like this. I'll just within the center. And I'm going to draw the circle using the bowl. Okay, so there's the circle. Now I am gonna cut it. Okay, so there we are. Now I'm just going to put the other part away. And I have one more of the same color and 2 more of the other color. So altogether you need 4 circles, 2 of different colors. So now I'm going to fold the circles in half. I'm going to fold all of them in half. Okay, so there we are. Now I am gonna open the circles and I'm gonna draw the line where the crease was formed. So you need a ruler and a pencil for this. Okay, there's one of them. And I'm gonna do that to all of them. Okay, now I'm just going to show you the line close up. There. Now I'm going to take the green one and then the pink one. I'm going to put the green circle like this so that the line is horizontal. I'm going to take this paper, the pink one, and I'm going to put it at the edge of one side of the green line. Like that. Now, I'm going to take my other pink one and I'm going to put this a bit under. And this one should also be at the end of the other end of the green line. I'm going to take my last green paper. I'm going to put this under here. This part is a bit tricky. And I'm going to make sure all the lines together form a square. Okay, so there we are. It should look like this. Now all we need to do is glue them. So you need the glue for this. Now I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna actually remove all of them. So this is the first paper. And to put this in, you need glue at this part. So let's put some glue there. And now I'm gonna stick it. So it should look like that. Now I'm gonna take this. So this one's supposed to go there. So I need to put some glue here. If you want, you can mark the place where you need to put the glue with a pencil. Okay. It should look like that. Now, this is kind of tricky. Okay guys, I finally found out a way to make it look good. So I just went ahead with folding one of the pink paper, and then I also glued it. So now I need my eraser. I'm just gonna rub off the lines that we drew. Okay, a part of my lines are not like rubbing away because there's some glue on it. So for our next move, we need a different colored paper. I have yellow. Now I'm gonna like check the size for the square head. So let me just check. So I'm just gonna take my ruler and draw a line there. So that means I have to cut on this line. And then draw a line here, which means I have to cut it again at this line. Okay, so hope you can see it. Alright, now let's cut. it should be stuck here at this point. So let's put some glue. And stick it. Oh wait, let's just pull this part a bit back. Okay. So now we only need our pencil. So let's write happy birthday. Birthday, sorry. Okay. A-P-P-Y, happy. And birthday. So it looks like that. And let me just draw an exclamation mark. is done. Now let's close it. Like, let's fold this green one first, and then this, then the other green, and now we have to like make a lock. So I'm gonna lift the first green one up and put the same edge of the pink paper in it. And our beautiful card looks like this. Now we can cut out a shape and we can stick it here. So let me just bring another sheet of paper. How about a flower? Yeah, a flower sounds good. Now our flower is cut. Let's just color the middle part a bit like blue. Now let's do it blue. Now our greeting card is done and it is ready to give to someone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share your thoughts in the comments down below. Bye bye!